Hi, this is Eric with diffuserdoc.com, and in this video we're going to show you how to change the base to a rainstone diffuser. Unfortunately, sometimes things happen and the clay base to a rainstone diffuser can get dropped and cracked, especially on a granite countertop or whatnot. I've had customers ask over the years for replacement bases, and we've just now recently we're finished our design and recreation of a base on the 3D printer. So I'm going to show you how to replace it if you've cracked the base. So the first thing you want to do, depending on how much of this base is left, you want to take these, there's three little covers on these screws. You want to take the covers off and take these three screws out. And really all we need to do is switch over the power connector, and this base comes off. This one's intact, but I don't know, it depends on how many pieces that they break into. But so we'll take the rainstone unit off, and what we need to do is get this power part out, the power connector, so that we can put it into the new unit. So we'll just need a Phillips screwdriver, and there's more than likely there's usually a lot of hot glue that's smothered around here. Just pry that off until it's it comes off pretty easy. And depending on if it's broken, I don't know, it may already be off. There's a little bit of water here from this diffuser was just running not too long ago. So take this center screw out and set it aside. Lift up. I'm lifting up towards me here to loosen this cover, and then just take that off, set it aside, and then the connector itself is just sort of just push a little bit, and then this connector here will come out. Be careful not to break a wire off. I'm hiding a shot. You need to get, it's a little bit crooked. If you need, just take your time, but it slides right out. If it looks kind of cruddy, that's not a big deal. I plan on having this exact part available on the site, because I think these wires corrode off quite often, and especially if you're trying to pull this out, you may break a wire off. So if that's the case, I'm going to make these pieces available with the connector ready to go on the site. So in case this part's broken too, you can order it. The next thing is just pop this power connector out, and that's it for this base. This is a good base still, but let's say you broke it. Here's a new one. We want to put the power connector back in this way till it's flush, and then this power jack slides back into here, and just push it down and then push it forward, really easy. And then this cover goes this way with this open end down, and these two little pins actually just push this connector forward. So we want to slide this around the wires and over the top, and then just sort of push it down. Kind of locks into place a little bit here. So this is in place. And then one screw in the back. I'm going to get it started with my finger. Finish it with a screwdriver. Okay. So power connector is reinstalled. Now all we need to do is put the rainstone in and connect the power to this power jack here on the edge. We want to line this front eye up with this notch, and you'll notice there are three little notches in the base. They line up with these three little notches here. Just work it in and make sure that once this is installed, that everything around the top is flush and everything's tight. And then we want to put this part on with the numbers in line with the power connector, and tighten that down. Okay, and that's that. Rainstone diffuser in a new base, and put the top back on. And lid. And you're back in business. Rainstone diffuser with a new base. I'll put a link in the description below for the base and the power connector once it's available. And if you have any questions, you can reach us at Facebook at Facebook/Diffuserdoc or doc@diffuserdoc.com. And I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.